Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Discord notifications in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now click on your user settings. Now scroll down. Here you'll find the option of notifications. Press on it. Now here you can see notifications. To enable this, you have to just turn on these buttons. Here you can customize your notifications. You can enable or disable this depending on your needs. That's it. So this is how you can enable Discord notifications in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.